What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this playlist. This is the myEcon business review for 2025. Literally everything you need to know about myEcon in 2025. If you are looking to join, looking for more information, or just looking for anything that has to do with myEcon, it's going to be right here in this full playlist. Now, if you're checking this out for the very first time, if you're not familiar with this playlist, you may need to go back to the beginning. Link in the description right down below this video. Depending on whether you're on a mobile device or whether you're on a MacBook or a desktop, you might see a little brief description and then a little thing that says more. You can click on more and you'll see some links under there, and it will take you right back to the playlist. So this first video here is going to give you a full overview of myEcon. It's going to go over the compensation plan, a quick overview of the products, everything you need to know for some basics under an understanding of myEcon. The second video is going to talk specifically about what you get for value when you join me and our team, which is over $10,000 in free value with our system. I walk you through everything, how much it all costs, and how you are getting it literally for free just by activating your myEcon membership. And you could do that at any of the 3 points to get started with myEcon. The third video here is a back office overview. So just to give you an understanding of what you're going to get access to once you get started with myEcon, once you go into the members area, where everything is, how to access it, it's all in that other video on that third video there. Now, the next series of videos here, I'm going to start diving into all of the products and services that you get with your myEcon membership. Now, I'm going to go through these one at a time. So the next series of videos are going to be fairly short and sweet videos, okay? So this video here, I'm going to go through the income shifting, which is also known as correcting your W-4. This is one of the core products inside of myEcon. So this is going to be a quick and short video. In each of these videos, I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to try to make these videos short, sweet, to the point. So if you want to know more about the travel, the debt elimination, whatever it is, I'm going to keep these videos short, to the point, and sweet. So let's dive right into correcting your W-4, or in myEcon speak terms, is also known as income shifting. So once you get into your members area here, you're going to see the correct W-4 right in the product carousel. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up some things you need to know. Now, obviously, there's introduction videos with just about every product or service that you get with myEcon. So obviously, you're going to want to watch that. You're going to want to understand what it can do. Now, let me give you some cliff notes and some highlights that you need to understand why shifting your income is important, why adjusting your W-4 correctly is important. If you work a job, there's a really, really good chance that you did not fill out your W-4 correctly when you started your job. Unless you're either, a tax professional, some type of business professional, you might have filled it out incorrectly. And chances are, when most people go to select what they're going to get taken out for taxes, they put 0, they put 1, maybe think of, okay, I have 2 kids, 2 dependents, so I'm going to put the number 2 down. And usually this doesn't get explained correctly and people don't fill out this form correctly. Therefore, you get the maximum amount of taxes taken out of your paycheck. And then at the end of the year, you wish and hope and pray that you get a big refund. Well, if you're hoping for a big refund, then you did it wrong. I'm just letting you know, okay? Every single year, when it comes tax time, the goal for you is to break even. You shouldn't get a big refund back. You should not owe any money. You should be flush. You should be even. That means you got the correct amount, the right amount of money back in your paycheck, and you got the most amount of money possible because you filled out this form properly, okay? So let me give you an example. If you, let's say, make on average $50,000 a year, and I'm just going to use big round numbers so you can understand this. If you make $50,000 a year and you fill out this form correctly, our members that do this are seeing an average of about 10 to 15% increase in their take-home pay. So think about that number, $50,000 a year, a 10% increase in pay would be about $5,000 a year, or $380 to $400 a month in additional take-home income. Now think about that. What if you could give yourself a $400 per month raise without having to talk to your boss? That is exactly what the W-4 adjustment or the income shifting does for you and your family. So you're going to want to watch that intro video. It's going to basically explain a lot of what I just explained with you. And then there's about a 20-minute video here where you're going to go break down exactly how this works. Now, as you go through this process, this is going to explain to you how you go print out your very own W-4, and it's really simple and easy to do. You can come on over here to Google. You can just type in W-4, okay? W-4 for 2025, all right? Of course, at the time of this video, and it's going to pull up, and you're going to obviously want an irs.gov link right there, and this is it right here. So you can go grab this, you can print it out, you can make your own copy, and then you can use that in conjunction with the training right here inside of your myEcon members area. And this video is going to explain to you how to fill everything out properly. You're going to have to do some basic math. You may have to bust out a calculator because there's some certain things that you're going to need to figure out, like, annual income, dependents, some of those other things. But that video is going to walk you through how to properly fill out this form. So most people just fill out the basic info here, and then they put, single or married. And then when it comes to putting the right information in these boxes, this is where most people don't know how to do this. That video is going to explain exactly how to fill out that information correctly. Okay. So again, you can get the maximum amount of money back in your pocket, pay the government less in taxes, put the right amount of money back in your pocket, and increase that take-home pay. So that is it for this video, my friend. Very simple, very easy to use this product and service from myEcon, again, which is adjusting your W-4, also known as income shifting. Thank you for watching, my friend. Move on to the next video as we dive into the credit repair program. If you made it to this point in the video, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, if you haven't gotten started with myEcon, you want to adjust your income, you want to be part of something truly special, get over $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Link in the description down below. Get yourself started. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, my phone number is right there at the top of the video. Send me a text, ask me anything. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.